Question number 3 wants us to find the perimeter and the area of this shape. So for the perimeter, we want to add up all of our sides. And we know the length of some of our sides, but not all of our sides. So let's find the length of the missing sides first, and then we can add up everything to find the perimeter. So the top I don't know. I know from here to here should be 2.1 though, because if I look across, that's 2.1. And then I know from here to here should be 6, because if I look across, from here to here is 6. So adding those together, I know that this is 8.1 feet. Looking at the side, I know from here to here should be 4.2. And from here to here should be 2. So adding those up, I know that this side is 6.2 feet. So my perimeter is 2 plus 2.1 plus 4.2 plus 6 plus 6.2 plus 8.1. So let's add those up. And we get 28.6 feet. So they also want us to find the area, which is the inside. And we know the formula for the area of a rectangle, but this is not a rectangle. So what we're going to actually do is split this up into two different shapes, or two different rectangles. So I want to look at this rectangle, and I want to look at this rectangle. So if I find the areas of those two rectangles and then add them together, then that will be the area of the entire thing. So the first one, I need to take 2 times 2.1. So 2 times 2.1, we get 4.2 square feet. And then the second rectangle, that is 6 by 6.2. So 6 times 6.2, and we get 37.2 square feet. So my last step is I just want to add those two values. So 4.2 plus 37.2, and we get 41.4 square feet for our final answer.